YouTube. Today I got this China, whatever this is. And I want to see what this is, and I already opened it. And it looks like a roll to me. Smells like a burrito or something. But anyway, we just gonna test this out. I'm scared. Sorry, my family. I'm scared. It's like a cheese puff.